Proverbs 2015. How to replace power steering pump. First things you do, you release tire, then as you see here, this one power steering pump. So what you should release belt, and then see there's a screw. You should open it, and then if you can open this one, this plate, for easy your hand. Stay with me. I will show you step by step to do all this process. I bring pipe that help me easy my job to release belt. Okay. It's easy. I can remove belt. Yeah. So now, guys, as you see here, I open a power steering pump. You see this one first pipe. If you see there's a second pipe there. So what should I do to remove water pump from there? There is no space, as you see there. There is no space. You cannot take out of. And instead you drop the body, this body down, so you can do this to remove the water pump, power pump steering. So you can open this sensor from there and bring your water pump from that side to there. When you bring to here, you can easily remove it from this side. So no need to open all the body or down the body of the car. So you can do that. Like this. See, but anyway, you can take it off there. To remove pulley from water pump or from power steering pump or any other kind of pump, simply you need this tool, pulley puller install kit, like this. See, this pulley, I need to remove it. You see, you cannot easily remove unless you have tools. This tool, what you will do by this tool, you see, we have to part like this. You will pull it because in pulley, see, you have like space usually for this one. So, this one. And you will put this one, so do not move from each other. No, this one also you need. See, guys, like this. So now easily you need to spanner. So that's all. One of them. You go like this, it will remove. So now, guys, as you see here, pulley is removed. Pulling this pulley into a new pump. You need this one, this tool. So what you will do, you put pulley there, and then you will install the screw, because there is see straight inside. So now this is a new power steering pump. I put fully, so now I will try to return it again. I'll try in this way. Try by somewhere like this. Oh yeah, that's good. So push all the way to its place. Then reinstall again pipe, and that's it. Now see guys, I return again all screw and bolt, and I retied again, and I put belt also. So now I did replace power steering pump by easy way, and you can do it. No need to make more difficult. It's not difficult, it's easy.